In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a custom 404 page on your website. Now you can see on my client's website, if I type the domain plus a random figure slash a random figure rather, it just says the page can't be found. I want something better than this. I want something that actually gives some more information and then it redirects the client to a brand new page, maybe back to the home page. So how do we do that? So back here on the dashboard of this website, we want to come to this left panel, we want to come to Elementor, and I want to come to Theme Builder. Mind you, you need Elementor Pro in order to do this. So we'll now come to Theme Builder, and we are going to see quite a number of side paths here. I want to click on Error 404, and it tells us no templates found. We want to create one. I'm just going to click on Add New, and it's going to bring up a number of templates, and I'm going to have to configure some things before I can select a template. So it's brought up these templates. I can choose from any one of these. You can choose any one of these templates. You see, they are very, very beautiful. I'll just go ahead with this particular one. And I'll click to insert it here. And it's going to prompt me to connect my Elementor to my Elementor account. I'll do that right now by clicking on Get Started. Now you can see what Elementor gives us here is quite pretty. But we need to change all of this. Alternatively, you can choose to build your own 404 page from scratch. You can just put a section here, add a text. I'll look for post title or something of that sort. I'll say heading, I'll add it here and see, we are sorry. We are sorry. This page is not found. As simple as that. I'll align it center. I want to change the color to be white. Typography to be this 100, and then you can add a button. You can add a button here which is going to say back to home page. Let's say back to home, and then you can put this home link here, and you can add an icon somewhere here. I'll say arrow. I'll look for arrow. So we are going back. That's it. And the icon is this way. We want to align it to center this button. And then I can give this entire section a top padding of 200. And then I'll give this one a bottom margin or padding, any one. So this is it. You just publish it, and you need to add your display conditions. So we'll just save this and publish. So this is now our 404. We are sorry this page is not found. If I preview this, this is the template Elementor gave us. You have to add a lot of images behind, but this is what we built. Pretty simple. That's how to build a 404 page in Elementor. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. You can watch the next video that comes up.